What? Are you recording?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're eating ants and the raisins. Ants and a raisin. Ants and
Corn dog.
ants on a surfboard. Beetles on a surfboard. And beetles in a canoe. Beetles in a canoe. We're eating beetles in a canoe. JJ can name beetles in a canoe when you start the video. I don't know where the oars are. Don't erase it. You're gonna record for a minute. JJ, I don't know where their oars are, but they need to get some oars. Put the video on you, Donna. And Donna is drooling her celery all over the place. And she's about to choke on it because she's laughing so hard. She's breathe, Donna, breathe. She's choking. Oh, there goes the celery all over the floor that she's choking on. She's choking all over the celery. She thinks it's my pecker.
Okay, now?
She thinks when the celery is my pecker and she's choking on it. And kids, peckers are these birds that go in the trees and they peck at the tree. They peck at the wood and eat the bugs. That's what a pecker is. So don't ask your parents what a pecker is.
Can I do it?
Because Donna's choking on my pecker. Alright, you can stop.